Hello and welcome to the course. Let's get started right away. I'm looking at two things as I speak with you a little bit today. One is I'm using a few notes to make sure I don't leave anything out. And the other thing is I'm looking at my second screen so I can also look at the Moodle website as we talk. At the top of the website, if you haven't, well, I'm sure you've noticed it, there's a diagram that can be applied to any kind of course sequence, whether it's online, offline, or whatever. But the difference between face-to-face and online is what we're talking about in this course. And there are some tremendous differences. You'll notice that this course is rolling enrollment, which means that you can work at your own pace as long as you and I can agree on some kind of schedule. So as I look at the top part of the website, keep in mind that um, there is at least one forum in every section of the website of the course. And these forums are required. So each forum then is actually evaluated by me or an associate instructor in some cases on a scale of not yet completed, partially complete, or complete. Um, and when you see partially complete or complete, that means that you can go on to the next section. There's also a help desk at the top. Keep in mind that this is always available to you. I subscribe to the help desk, which means that any time that you post a question in the help desk, I will automatically get it as an email and will be able to respond almost immediately. Um, Now, as I look again at your website, in the introduction section, the that section is based on the question, the essential question, what can we achieve online that we cannot achieve as well or as fully in a traditional classroom? This is something for you to think about. If you don't have several answers to this question, then why are we even considering online instruction? So the point of this introduction is to give some attention to that question. You have two important resources in this introduction module. The first is a document called Think About Redesigning Rather Than Integrating. Um, Sometimes we think that all we need to do with technology is to integrate it into what we're already doing. Research tells us that that doesn't make a whole lot of difference in student achievement. It just adds bells and whistles and doesn't really change how students learn. So our focus in this course is actually on redesigning education rather than simply integrating technology into what we're already doing. So if you look at the forum in this initial section, it's what would you like to achieve with your Moodle project? So as you begin to, first of all, read the document that's there, and then second, begin to jot down some of your ideas, I will interact directly with you in that forum, and at some point give you a complete so you can move on to the next section. So again, this gives us an opportunity to work one-on-one online in ways that simply are not possible in a traditional classroom. So that's it for the beginning of the course in the introduction section. Go ahead, get started anytime. And as you post things into the forum, I will join you. See you online.